Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn fastest way to insert header and footer in Microsoft Excel. Here is a computer world sales report and I want to insert header and footer very quickly. First preview the page. There are no header and footer here. There are two pages and header and footer is not available here. And I want to insert header and footer. Just go to the view option and here is the option page layout, the better way to insert header and footer. Just click here and now it is a header section. I just type here virtual office training. In right corner I just type here sales report. Now I want to go to the footer area. Just click here, go to footer, it will move to the footer area. If you click here, go to header, it will move to the header area. And I will tell you the shortcut key to move footer and header. Just press page down key, it will move to the footer area. If you press page up key, it will move to the header area. I just go to the footer area and here I will insert page number slash and number of pages here. I want to display page and number of pages here, and I want to display here current date. Now just click anywhere in your data and go to the view area and go to the normal view. There is not showing header and footer. If you click print preview, it will display the header and footer. You can see here it is display number 1 page, and if you click to the page 2, it will display the number of page 2, and here is the date, and this is a heading. That's way you can insert header and footer very quickly in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.